In this video, I will show you how to fade in FL Studio Piano Roll. How to fade your sound in FL Studio Piano Roll. So you come right here into your project. So this is our exemplary project. And I'm going to be selecting one of the chord right here. I'm going to go to our piano roll. So this is our piano roll. So now that you're already in your piano roll, so what you need to do is to come right to this section. And when you get to this section, you're going to see different options right here: velocity, pan, release. So when you want to fine tune pitch and all that. But the most important thing is we go to the volume channel. So once you get to the piano roll, you go to the volume channel. So I'm going to click the volume channel, right? So now that I click to the volume channel, so we're going to take this bar line, right? So this is our volume patch here. So depending the side that you want to fade on your piano roll. So let's say I'm going to be fading this side down. So all we're going to do is just to click right here and the volume is going to appear. So here you're going to be taking it around, you left click down and you're going to drag the volume down, right? So let's see. So I'm going to preview this again. Right, so I'm going to go back to that volume. So what you're going to notice is when you check this automation right here, you see the volume right here. So you can see how the volume is going down, right? So if you want to make it full volume, then you're going to put it right here. So now you can see the volume. So now the volume is already up. So if you take notes, check this volume right here. You could see that this volume is actually moving with this volume automation right here. So if you want to put this volume up, right? So you simply do is to increase the full volume. So like that. So you're going to take it to ensure that it's on the average. With the other rest of the volume. So any parts of which you want to fade, you just go right there and break it down. Right? So you can as well increase the volume this way. Then the part you don't want to, then you just bring it down. So guys, I hope you find this video very helpful. So do well to like, subscribe to this channel so you continue to receive notification of our subsequent videos. So remember, if you are interested in audio mentorship and you like to know more and increase your knowledge from beginner to professional, step by step practical process in music production, recording, mixing and mastering, sound design. So, irrespective of anywhere in the world you are in, so do it to contact me using the link in the description below. So, this is basically on how to fade out your sound in piano roll. So, do it to watch the next video on how to use automation proper to add more more style to your project. So, see you guys in the next video.